Welcome to another Northwest install video. Today we have a 2019 to 2025 Toyota RAV4 with front bucket seats. The fabric the customer selected is the Outlaw saddle blanket with black stripes, and it is trimmed with automotive-grade vinyl on the sides of the seats and rear of backrest, which is very easy to wipe clean. The rear seat is a 60-40 split bench with 3 headrests and a fold-down armrest with dual cup holders. All Northwest seat covers are equipped with factory-style map pockets, again easy to wipe clean for kids with dirty runners. The dual cup holder armrest is fully accessible and the seat belt openings are already pre-cut and finished. So, when you're looking for high-quality, good-fitting seat covers that will last for many years, Northwest is your #1 choice.